Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Aufan Nadilah binti Muhammad Faizul and my magic number is 199168. Today, we are going to make an organic fertilizer. In organic fertilizer, we need three elements which is nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. First, how do we find nitrogen? To get nitrogen from natural ingredients, we can use tea leaves. To get phosphorus from natural ingredients, we can use mustard seed. For potassium, we can use banana skin. In fertilizer, nitrogen acts to help plants grow its leaves properly. Phosphorus in fertilizer will help in root, flowers, and fruits development. For potassium, it helps plant to ensure that all the functions were working, and it also help protect the plants from disease. First of all, we need to grind them. Put it inside your grinder. And next ingredient is mustard seed. Banana skin, you need to completely dry it. There you are. Here you can see them. To make a mustard cake, we need to add some water. We must extract all the oil because oil are not good for plant. Using cloth or tissue, press them to absorb all the oil and the water. You can dry it under the sun. So this is the final product of the mustard seed. Let's mix them together because nitrogen is very important. So I will put the tea leaves more, and because the leaves is it's quite light, so compared to seed is more heavier than leaves. Banana skin, I'll put it, I'll just mix it. So now it's done. I making my own organic fertilizer, or specifically NPK organic fertilizer, because there is nitrogen, helium and phosphorus. Now I want to show the right method how to mix your fertilizer into the soil. Now you should put it around the tree, because my lima purut tree is not fruiting at all. And then if you could mix it, you should mix it. It's very hard to see my fertilizers since I've grained all of them and into small particles. The soil can absorb nutrient easily. Okay, that's all.